rolling is a great way to increase local circulation to the tissue and the skin. It helps you assess fascial restrictions and feel where the tissue is restricted, and it feels wonderful. So when I use skin rolling on the back, I usually start out really slow so that the client can get used to the way that the technique feels, and so that I can kind of get my fingers working the way that I want them to. And after I make 1 or 2 passes, I can start to speed up a little. And I'm really just thinking of pressing my thumbs into the tissue and gathering the tissue to my thumbs with my fingertips. How does that feel, Katie? And while I'm using this technique on the back, it can be used on many different areas of the body.